Looking to prepare something sweet and, of course, delicious that you can share with others that is made in your own kitchen? Well, here at Aside Guy Cooks, we have a great recipe with Strawberry Blackberry Brunch Cake. So let's get started. First up, the dry ingredients. Next up, the wet ingredients. All ingredients for the brunch cake should be at room temperature. Let's prepare the berries. Now let's build the cake. Set your timer for 50 minutes, and as always, ovens do vary. Blackberries appear to have been consumed by humans as early as the Iron Age around 500 BC. Native Americans utilized the blackberries, roots, and leaves for food, medicine, and dyeing animal skins. Today, blackberries are grown around the world and are widely enjoyed fresh, in preserves, desserts, and in beverages. These are one of my favorite berries. Perform the toothpick test to ensure your cake is done. Looks great right out of the oven. Let's get a portion on a plate, topped with powdered sugar topping, and the cake is ready to be enjoyed. Drizzle with vanilla icing sugar glaze. And of course, this piece is ready to be enjoyed. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's try this one. Topped with powdered sugar, this cake is simple, delicious, and of course, elegant. Now it's time to try this one. Drizzle with vanilla icing glaze, this brunch cake exudes flavor and promotes indulgence. Everybody will love this cake. I would like to hear from you. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video, so head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that's a dessert you can make and serve with pride. Stay with us. Watch the next videos.